Hello, guys. Welcome back. Here we are with yet another episode of Buddies Talk. Shweta, you have missed last week. Tell us what were you up to?
I know, I was so jealous of you.
Yeah, it was Ganesh festival in India, and it's a big festival, especially in Mumbai and many parts of India. So we get Ganpati at our home, and we worship the idol, and then after 1.5 days, we have the immersion. So it's
Okay.
a big festival, and today actually is the final day. That's the 10th day of the festival. So
Mhm.
yeah, it's a big festival, and I really enjoy Ganesh festival because Ganesha is my favorite lord as such.
Yeah,
He's very
I,
cute.
yeah, I know he
And
looks very cute.
How many modaks did you give Lord Ganesh and how many did you eat?
oh yeah, I have a sweet tooth, so I ate a lot of modaks and laddus both. And I've put on a lot of weight as well after Ganesh festival.
And you guys had those traditional ceremonies and dressing up and all those things, right? It's so much fun. I really miss those
Yeah,
days.
I used to miss this Ganesh festival when I'm away from home, away from Mumbai. But like around 5 or 6 years back, I discovered that there are people who keep Ganpatis in their house in Dubai also. So
Yeah,
that's like a blessing, and I don't miss it these days.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I
yeah.
go to someone's house, or to go see the Lord Ganesha, and they do the immersions in one of the creeks over here.
Oh,
Mm.
that's
So that's
nice.
quite, yeah. Anyways, so today's topic, or rather, today's discussion or topic is completely based on quizzes. Okay. Now,
Okay.
this idea, I got it from during our lockdown period in Dubai, where we used to have Zoom sessions with our friends, and we used to have quiz sessions. And each of the families, or each friends, each of us, we used to have a quiz session every weekend, and one of them used to host it, and the others used to participate, and we used to have winners and all that.
That sounds
So
fun.
yeah. So similarly, today we'll have a really small session,
Hmm.
and trust me, the first session is called is going to be a bit difficult. I've tried to make it a bit difficult, but let's see if you can get any of those. Then hats off to you, because I couldn't get any of those when I was answering them. Okay, when
Thank you for
I
making
was
it
asked the
easier.
question.
And thank you for
Do
making
we
it easier.
and do we get a coffee hamper at the end?
Of course, we are getting like how much? $1,000 if you win it. Whoever
thousand
is the winner
dollars
is getting
Oh
$1,000.
man. Okay, Divya is sponsoring the quiz. Thank you for sponsoring, Divya.
Why would I sponsor and why would I answer it? I wouldn't do both. But
No,
anyways, this sounds
I
exciting.
I think the only person who is having dollars in this group would be you. So I think that's why I concluded you will be sponsoring it. Okay.
No, I'm saying if I win, I have to get dollars, right? That's why $1,000. Okay, you
Oh,
convert dirhams to dollars now.
okay. Let's talk about the prizes later. I think for us, we'll just give each other enough hugs and kisses. That's enough.
I
Okay.
think for sure that
Okay.
you'll not win.
So
I
there are two sessions.
know. I'm scared now, Bhavna. And as a disclaimer, please, guys, my general knowledge is very limited. So don't judge me by my
You,
answers.
you just don't try to be those people who come to Karan Johar's talk show and answer give stupid answers to stupid questions.
Okay.
Okay, just remember
Okay.
that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, here we
And
go. Yeah.
if you actually, any of you, either of you can answer any of the 5 questions correctly, even
So,
one, even if you're able to answer
even
one
one?
correctly,
Oh my God.
then
Okay.
I will personally give you a gift. Something,
Such
Oh,
not dollars, but something for sure.
Yeah, you'll give me your love, right? I don't need it.
No, love is free. I will give you something expensive. Okay.
Oh, really? Okay,
okay.
ठीक है. I'm
I'm
excited
excited
now.
now.
You have Amazon at your in USA
Okay, you're gonna
and
give
in India
me?
as well. So
Acha.
something I could send. You don't
Oh
know.
no, Shweta, now this is getting serious now.
Nice.
Okay, go ahead.
It's a competition. Okay.
Okay.
So I have actually made 2 sessions of this quiz. One is the difficult one that I told you about, and the second one is like super duper easy.
Okay.
Okay, but
Okay.
you should have the presence of mind, and anyone who answers it correctly, the earliest one, the first one to make the noise and first one to say the answer, gets the point.
Okay.
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 What if
and
nobody
get to
knows
decide.
it and we'll be quiet?
No, you can't be quiet. Okay, you can't be quiet in the second session at least, because that is how I would say that it would be. It can be compared to the faster finger first in
ठीक
KBC.
है, ठीक है,
Something the same,
ठीक है.
something
Okay,
similar.
let's
ठीक है?
start
जल्दी
then.
बताना,
Let's see.
जल्दी
Yeah.
बताना. And the decision is mine. If I say it's Divya, if I say it's Sweta, it is what
ठीक
it
है.
is.
And it's up to the
Okay.
person to remember their points, right?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है.
Okay. And
Yeah.
the topic that I have chosen today, or the category, is Incredible India.
Hmm.
Everything related to India. So you don't have to think outside of India. कहीं पे कुछ भी नहीं.
Okay, ठीक
है,
है.
सब
Now
Indians
it's I have to live up to everyone, and my self-esteem will be impacted. Now let's see. ठीक है, चल.
Let's see.
Chal, start.
Shweta, okay, everyone's ready. So
Yeah.
the first session is called as Find X. Not your ex, it is just some X.
Okay, thanks for clarifying. Okay.
So X could be anything. It could be name, place, animal, thing, anything.
ठीक है.
Okay. So I'll read out a paragraph, and once I say who is it or who is X, that is when you have to start answering. Until then, no interruptions, please.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So we go ahead with the first question.
Okay.
So X became the first Indian to sign up for Giving Pledge, a campaign led by Warren Buffett and Bill Gates to encourage the wealthiest people to make a commitment to give most of their wealth to philanthropic causes. X's father was a noted businessman and
Bill
was
Gates.
known as... Hold on.
Is that Bill Gates? Oh no. Oh,
I told no interruptions.
There
I
should
told
be
no
Sorry.
negative
interruptions.
points for people who are
Okay,
disrupting.
so he was... No, it is not Bill Gates. Okay, I'll read this again.
Okay, read it
and
again. Sorry, I lost
I'll
it.
read
Yeah, I'm
this
sorry.
again. Okay. X became... And it is the first Indian. How is Bill Gates an Indian?
Oh, I'm sorry. Come on. Okay, come
I
on.
don't know if he... Okay. X became the first Indian to sign up for the Giving Pledge, a campaign led by Warren Buffett and Bill Gates to encourage the wealthiest people to make a commitment to give most of their wealth to philanthropic causes.
Mm.
X's father was a noted businessman and was known as the Rice King of Burma. X has a foundation for education and university.
Okay.
Now, so this is where you have to answer who is X.
Is it
If you
Ratan
want
Tata?
more clues, what I can say is he's a very down-to-earth person. He's still...
She just answered. She just answered something, Shweta.
Is it
Sorry, I
Ratan
couldn't hear
Tata?
you. Who is it?
Ratan Tata?
No, it's not. Divya, now you have it's your turn, but I'll give you one more clue. He's a very down-to-earth person, I feel, and he still travels in economy even when he can afford to buy the whole plane.
Okay.
I need one more hint.
I'll give you a very big hint.
Mm.
Okay, Wipro.
Oh, Asim Premji.
Yes. But
Wow, Shweta, awesome. Shweta, you got it? Oh my God.
Second
She
attempt.
got it at Wipro. You should have got it at Wipro.
My knowledge is very limited with that, as you know. But I'm proud of you, Shweta. You won it.
Okay.
Cool, yay.
So someone has secured a gift already.
Oh God. Oh my
Yes.
God. Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
Now the second question is a thing. Okay, so I'm going to read it out, and I don't know how my pronunciations will be for this one. Let's see.
Mm.
Salvadora persica. Okay, I will spell it out. Salvadora persica is a shrub with a crooked trunk. The root bark of the tree is similar in color to sand, and the inner surfaces are even lighter shade of brown. It has a pleasant fragrance of cress or mustard, as well as a warm and a pungent taste. X is a twig made from Salvadora persica tree. Apart from their antibacterial activity, which may help control the formation and activity of dental issues, they can be used effectively as a natural toothbrush for teeth cleaning. Such sticks are effective, inexpensive, commonly available, and contain many medical properties and features prominently in Islamic hygienical Okay, sorry, I can't read that. It is, however,
No problem.
well known
Not
among
able to
the.
think also.
You
Can
got
I
the
answer? Can I answer?
Oh, no? Okay.
Yes, please, Divya.
Is it clove?
No.
Is it turmeric?
Wait, hold on. I have got one more sentence to go. Okay.
Okay.
It is,
Okay.
however, well known among the Indian population as a brand that shot into prominence with the 1998 Coca-Cola World Cup. Okay.
Is it
Okay. Now
Babool?
I'll give you a clue. This is where you have to answer, but I'll give you a clue before
Okay.
that.
Shweta, you just now said Babool.
This is there is a toothpaste brand with this name.
That's what she said. She said something.
Babool.
I can't hear her. What is it? What did you say,
Is it
Shweta?
Babool?
No, it's not.
Okay, say
Okay,
again.
listen to me first. You girls are in a hurry, okay?
संतूर
Listen to me.
नहीं
अरे
संतूर
वो
नहीं
संतूर है।
संतूर नहीं यार
ये मम्मी वाला ad नहीं है.
अच्छा it's not it's
It's a
something to do with clove I'm sure
No, it is not. It is not. Listen,
no
let me finish.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है
Sure.
रुक जाओ. हाँ, तो ये एक टूथपेस्ट का ब्रांड है. ओके, और ये एक बहुत ही सुपर इजी बना देती हूँ, और एक स्टिक है जो हम लोग च्यू करते हैं. अगर टूथब्रश है नहीं है, टूथपेस्ट नहीं है, तो यू च्यू. सो यू कैन इवन नाउ व्हेन यू देयर आर पीपल हु आर यूजिंग दिस, एंड ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि यू हैवंट सीन इट.
दातून का sticks.
हाँ, उसका दूसरा वर्ड क्या हो सकता है?
oh
What is
god
the
दातून
I
का
don't
stick
know.
you want हाँ, थोड़ा सोच लो. उसके बाद में एक और, फिर मैं ऐसे, वो क्या कहते हैं हम लोग, जैसे वो खेलते हैं ना, हैंगमैन खेलते हैं ना, ऐसे डैश डैश डैश, वैसे I'll fill up
हाँ
the
नहीं
letters
तू
for you.
वापस क्लू दे मेरे को क्लू चाहिए
Yeah, we need to.
Okay, clue would be it rhymes with stock or नहीं, stock नहीं है. रुक जाओ,
तू खुद पर आंसर कंफर्म कर ले
मैं वही सोच रही हूँ. I'm trying to give, ये मिल जाना चाहिए यार, ये इजी है. ठीक है, ये M से स्टार्ट होता है और K से एंड होता है.
Is that an English word? Are you looking for an English word?
It is a name. Like if you're saying banyan tree, it is not an English word, but वो वैसे ही है.
Okay.
You know how it is.
Multan. No. I
never used twigs.
I know, yaar. Why would I use twigs? ठीक है, I give up. I don't know.
Okay, you guys give up. The answer is meswak.
Meswak. I know.
Okay.
Yeah, but
अभी सब पता है.
obviously इतना सब कौन सोचेगा ये सब चीज. तू भी ना ऐसा क्वेश्चंस ढूंढ के निकालती है ना, कोई तो बाबा से निकाल चीजें उठा के लगती है.
Interesting.
Okay, ठीक है.
You guys have never used a
One.
meswak?
नहीं, I haven't.
वो श्वेता ने तो दातुन भी बोला था. उसके लिए दूसरा एक वर्ड चाहिए बस.
ठीक है, but you could have given it to her. Yeah, she was
You can
close.
give me
Okay,
half
fine. You
points.
want me to give it to her? You're still losing. Okay,
I'm fine with it.
Shweta,
I'm
2
fine with
points
it.
for you.
Oh
Shweta,
my
2 points
God.
for you.
अभी तो मुझे I have to catch up now. Come on, give me easy questions.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
this one should be super easy. Okay.
ठीक है.
Again, don't interrupt. मुझे complete करने दो. फिर उसके बाद मैं बोलूँगी what is it? That is when you have to answer.
Sure.
Sure, ma'am.
You're welcome. Sure. Okay. Okay. These are 2 words. So I will say XY. XY is an ancient Indian game regarded today as a classic. Earlier known as Moksha Patamu. The game was initially invented as a moral lesson about karma to be taught to children. Identify the game which is said to be a lesson about good and evil deeds. Now tell me the answer.
Is it Chor Police?
नहीं.
Ludo.
This is चोर पुलिस तो नहीं है. ये हमने तो खेला ही है.
अरे श्वेता ने आंसर दिया है यार.
Ludo.
लूडो नहीं है. श्वेता, यू आर वेरी क्लोज. यू जस्ट नीड टू
Snake and ladder.
No. Chaucer.
Okay, I'll give it to Divya
Ludo
this time.
I got it. Yeah.
I give it to you.
Cool,
मैं बोलने वाली थी कि वो पलट दो लूडो का जो बोर्ड होता है ना.
Thanks, Shweta, for the
Okay.
clue. Yeah.
Good.
So I got 1, okay?
Yes, you got
cool.
1.
Shweta, I'm coming.
Yes.
Okay. One more question. नहीं, अभी और दो बाकी है. Yeah, और दो बाकी है. Okay, this is in Marotichal, a village nested in the hills in Thrissur district of Kerala. X is a cerebral addiction that has saved them from alcohol dependence. Okay. In the 1970s and the 80s, illicit brewing was rampant in the village. The villagers picked up X after cheap brew threatened to destroy their lives. Now, X is a common with everyone and anyone from age 8 to 80. While in his 10th standard, now who is 59 years old, Unnikrishnan, after reading a newspaper report, left the village for a nearby city to learn X and returned only to introduce X to the village. What is X?
Is that yoga?
Okay, X. I'll give you one more clue. X is a game again.
It's not yoga. Yes, sorry,
It's not yoga. It's a game.
Is it martial arts?
No,
okay,
it's a game. Okay. No, it's not a martial art.
Okay.
It's a game. Hint. I need one more hint.
1 second. I think there are. Okay, very easy to get hint would be black and white.
Chess.
Chess.
Yeah.
I said that.
I was first.
Come on, Shweta. Come on. You were too fast. Okay, Shweta, you get 3, okay? Now, Bhavna, you asked me easy questions. This was easy, but Shweta just went fast. Yeah.
Fine. This is the last question in this round. Of course, we see that Shweta is clearly winning, but still we'll play this, even if Divya gets 2 points.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also 2 words. So, XY was invented in a kitchen at Maharaja Krishna Raja Wadiyar by a palace cook named Kakasura Madappa. Okay. X was the name of the kingdom ruled by the king. Y means sweet in local vernacular. Story holds that on being unable to come up with a name for the sweet, Mandappa named it XY. Been in news because of the nationalism debate. Okay, now identify what is XY.
Is it Mysore Pak?
Awesome.
Oh no! Oh my God, Shweta, you just killed it.
Shweta clearly wins this round.
But yeah.
No, Shweta, you're awesome. You're awesome.
Yeah, you got how many right? 3, 4 right out of 5, is it?
Yeah, she got 4. She got 4. Yeah, she got 4.
Oh, awesome.
You're getting a gift from Bhavna.
Yes,
you better share it with me.
I'll wait and tell in the next episode.
If it was not Divya, you would not have. Yeah, Shweta. If it was not Divya, you would not have won.
But you know what, Bhavna? You missed what she said. She said she'll confirm in the next episode if she got it or not. Okay. Abhi to Bhavna, you have to live up to the expectations, huh? Come on.
So the next round that's coming up is going to be like the super easy version of this. You should have the presence of mind. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. It is highly unlikely that you won't know the answers to these questions.
Okay.
Okay. So, do we begin?
Yes. Start.
Okay. In Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, what was Rahul's surname?
Rahul Sharma. Khanna.
Yes, I give it to Divya.
Oh, cool. Yeah, okay. Anjali Sharma tha. Yeah.
Anjali Sharma.
Good one.
हमें तो सब परिवार वाले सबका पता है. Okay, next question. Which city of India would you be if you are visiting the Victoria Memorial?
Mumbai.
No.
Victoria Memorial.
Shweta, you're there.
Cool.
Is it Calcutta? No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow, awesome.
Okay. The city of Amritsar is famous for which holy destination?
Golden
holy
temple.
destination, golden. But the golden
I
temple
give it to
destination
Shweta.
थोड़ी है. अरे यार.
Yeah, it's a destination.
ठीक है. I mean, if you had said like a structure, a monument or something, that's what I would have thought on those lines. ठीक है. Anyways, Shweta, तूने answer guess
Okay.
किया. That means it was
I'm
clear.
sorry for that. Okay. So Shweta has got two right, the two correct answers already,
Yeah.
right? In this one,
Yeah.
and Divya, you have got one.
Yeah.
Located on the west coast of India, what is Goa most famous for? And the
Drinks.
first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Goa.
Shweta's answer, I love that answer. What is Goa famous for?
The first thing that comes into your mind when you think of Goa.
Beaches.
Yes. See, I give it to her again.
Yeah, but I told before that also drinks. It's famous for it.
Drinks बोला कि मैंने beaches बोला. What is the answer?
Beaches.
हाँ ठीक है. So I get it. Okay, this time.
Okay.
Okay.
Which Indian city is home to the Taj Mahal?
Mumbai.
Agra.
Oh, Taj Mahal! Oh shit! Oh, I'm sorry. Shit. ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. I got thinking on different lines. I mean, कुछ लगा hotel Taj यार. That's fine. ठीक है. चल. Next.
Okay. In
Yeah, but then
most
that's
parts of
also right.
हाँ, that is also right. That is also Taj Mahal. Come on, Bhavna.
वो होटल ताज है.
हाँ ठीक है.
Bath Taj. Okay. In most parts of India, the wettest months of the year are from November to February. True or false?
False.
False.
Yeah, give it to Divya.
Yeah.
Okay. The current president of India is?
President?
Yes.
भगवान. श्वेता आंसर.
नहीं है.
Namdev.
श्वेता तू इंडिया में रहती है तुझे तो बोलना ही चाहिए. अगर
इतना सोच रही है.
गूगल करना पड़ेगा यार.
Is it right? Namdev Govind.
Ramnath Kovind.
Oh,
हाँ, she
okay,
get it.
sorry.
She gets it. She gets it.
ठीक है, she gets it. She gets it. Yes. Okay. This is which are the two houses of the Parliament of India?
Two houses.
Yeah.
यार मैं यूएस में रहती हूँ यार. मेरे लिए तो व्हाइट हाउस ही एक हाउस है यार. Come on.
civics में
this
पढ़ाई
in,
की है ये वाली तो.
Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Awesome. ठीक है, चलो. ठीक है, ये वाला बोनस पॉइंट है दिव्या. ये वाला
हाँ,
बोनस
ठीक है.
है जी. ओके.
हाँ ठीक है.
अगर ये आंसर कर दिया ना डायरेक्ट 100 पॉइंट्स है.
हाँ ठीक है.
If Divya answers it, then Shweta, you might lose it.
Okay.
Okay. What is India's national flower?
Flotus.
Oh.
Oh.
Am I winning it or not?
You get it.
Okay.
So who
Okay.
wins?
So I win it or not?
You win it. You win. You are the one who is getting the gift from me now.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
That was fun. That was
I
fun.
don't know how it was for you guys, but I had fun asking you questions.
Oh yeah, I had fun answering
Yeah,
it too.
was fun.
Yeah,
And
it was fun.
I'm really happy I was not in the other side.
Yeah, Bhavna, you will be. I'm going to create similar questions for you. मेरा ही सिर्फ अकेला पोपट क्यों?
I was not in the other side, so I was like super easy, and it was really fun, laughing at your answers and all that. I really.
But you
didn't
know what?
how-
I think I thoroughly enjoyed the first session of it because it was tricky. Like, those questions were like nicely built questions.
Right.
I liked
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
And I think
Yeah.
after so many years,
It's a-
I'm playing a quiz competition.
Yeah,
so
I
it's
know.
fun.
That was fun actually. It's really fun. Okay,
So
that was
Divya,
thank you for
again,
that session.
congratulations, but Shweta, very good. You played it really well.
Arey yaar, Shweta answered all the difficult questions. Yaar, come
I
on, yaar,
know.
Bhavna.
Okay, Shweta, I'll send you also something for sure.
Shweta,
For all
देख-
the hard work.
yeah, she answered all the smart questions, and mine were all
Exactly.
Hindi questions. Yeah, that's
Exactly.
fine. But it was fun. Thank you for arranging
Yeah,
this.
thank you so much, Bhavna.
Thank you guys for playing. We'll see you
In the next
episode
trivia,
now.
Bhavna will
Yes.
be on the other side. Okay, it's gonna be fun, Bhavna.
Okay, I'll start reading my encyclopedias right away.
But better brush up your knowledge. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Anyways, thanks,
Okay.
guys, and
Thank you,
it was
everyone.
really fun. Bye bye.
Stay tuned. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.